How to download Arduino IDE. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and go to the search bar at the top. Then after, simply type Arduino IDE download. After that, hit the enter key and you will see the official website of Arduino at the top. Simply click on it. Now once you scroll below through the official page of Arduino, you will see download option. Simply click on Windows, and in the next page, you will see the option of just download or to contribute and download. Simply click on just download option, as we do not want to spend any money while downloading this software in our device. After that, in the next page, provide your email, confirm to their privacy policy, and then again click on just download. After that, shortly this file will be downloaded on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.